Model, 2020 Mercedes-Benz Vito 110 pure CDI Euro 6 spares or repairs no VAT grade spec. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 148399. Engine, 1749 ccom 622 DE17LA100 HP. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts on easy start. Check engine light on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Clean and well cared for van showing pride of ownership. Features, 2 former keepers, Euro status, Euro 6.